Continuing coverage now of an alleged case of police misconduct. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans will decide if the case can go to trial. WGNO's Jordan Lippincott is here to explain.
Kurt, a little backstory here. A lower court had previously ruled in favor of the officers, arguing that because of the officers' qualified immunity, attorneys for Hankins didn't have enough evidence to sue for violation of his Fourth Amendment rights. So this is another shot at a trial.
Tuesday morning, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals heard from attorneys representing Bilal Hankins and the two security officers Hankins accused of violating his constitutional rights during a traffic stop in June of 2020 when Hankins was 18. His passengers included a 12-year-old boy.
The underlying issue here is the comment that Judge Higginson pointed out, which is the officer stopped these boys because they were in a nice car in this neighborhood.
Hankins was pulled over at Camp and Valmont Streets in New Orleans' Uptown neighborhood after asking one of the officers for help finding a lost dog, according to the lawsuit. Attorneys for the officers say they had reasonable suspicion Hankins and his passengers may have been burglarizing cars because the vehicle Hankins was driving, determined to be his mother's, was registered miles away from where they were, and Hankins was driving slowly.
That's not this country. I believe that's not this country. I believe that's not this state, and I 100% believe that's not this city.
The officers were employed by the Orleans Levee District Police and the Housing Authority of New Orleans, but at the time of the incident, they were patrolling for the Hurtsville Security and Neighborhood Improvement District. An attorney for Hano argued their client should not be named in the lawsuit.
It's an issue of what are these officers told they are allowed to do when they go around toting guns as private detail in residential neighborhoods. And in the absence of the development of those facts, you can't just release a party from a case.
The attorneys for the officers and their supervisors declined an interview, stating they'll wait on the court's decision. Kurt?
All right, keep us posted, Jordan.